Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. I'm your host, Kevin McKella, as always. And today I want to give you a quick tip that I use throughout all 4 of my routines and my rituals. And it is malleable. You can kind of take this concept and run with it. What I do is I use Alexa to actually help me move through my routines, through the sticking points that I may come across. So I'll break this down really quick. In the morning, what I do is I have an Alexa notification that sets to go off at 7:30, and 7:30 is the breaking point when I'm supposed to actually be done with all my stuff in the house and actually get my butt to the gym. So, a little thing goes downstairs, my Alexa downstairs. By the way, let me hold back here for a second. This is an entire tutorial video in the works. This is a much more in-depth concept that I want to go over with you guys. So when that video comes out, I'll come back in the show notes and I will leave a link, and that'll be really, really cool. But for now, I'm just going to give you the concept. So, again, because of the fact that my house is kind of blasted with Alexa, it's all embedded in like every room. So downstairs, because that's kind of where I am finishing out my part of my morning routine, is where the notification, it is a reminder, and it's a reminder that literally says, hey, stop doing what you're doing and go to the gym, right? I forget the exact wording it is. But anyway, that helps me because even if I'm running behind a little bit, say if I didn't do my breathing exercises, but what do I value more? For me, I value actually going to the gym consistently because it's a lot easier to do, 5 minutes of breathing versus, 45 minutes at the gym, because you got to actually get your clothes, get in the car, drive 5 minutes out of the gym, do all that stuff. And at night, it's another one. At night, I have, instead of in the middle of my routine, it helps me start my evening routine or my PM routine. So what it does is at right around 8:50, it says start wrapping up your evening, and basically that means like, okay, it's time to start my PM routine. The reason why you're saying, okay, well, what's the difference between this and an alarm on my phone? You can certainly set an alarm on your phone that'll work, but what you can do with Alexa is that you can actually set her to say things that mean something to you, right? You can say, hey, get your butt out of bed, or hey, remember yesterday when you sucked and you didn't do X, Y, whatever it is. You can kind of have fun with it, right? And even if you keep it steady, even if you keep it just regular, normal, a normal notification, the words from a human being saying start your PM routine, that's super, super powerful, other than diddly, diddly, diddly. I don't think anybody has that ringtone name. But either way, so that's my quick tip today. Use Alexa, use Google Home, use whatever vocal voice device you have in your house to help you with your rituals. Now, if you don't have one, the good news is they're like $30. At max, they're like $50, but they're usually always on sale for like $30. Go pick one up, play around with it. It's really cool. Guys, thank you so much for listening today to Upgrade My Rituals podcast. And for like a second, I forgot what we were doing today. For another quick tip, thank you so much. I'll see you next Tuesday. And of course, on Thursday, we have a regular podcast episode coming out. So I will see you then. Thank you so much for listening. If you like it, please leave me a review. And if you're watching this, hit the bell icon, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. I love it. Love it. Thank you so much. See you next time.